Welcome back, everybody. Why we need more data challenges and training platforms. This is my personal take on learning in the data age. As someone who's been keen deep in the world of data for a while, I've realized something. We desperately need more platforms where people can actively challenge themselves, practice, and grow their skills. Sure, there are plenty of courses, tutorials out there, but there is something missing, the real world experience of tackling a messy dataset, making sense of it, and learning from that process. Let me explain why I believe data challenges and training platforms are the future of data learning, and why we need a lot more of them. The gap between theory and practice. I still remember my early days on the data world, back when SQL queries and data structures were all theory to me. I'd take online courses, watch tutorials, and read books. But when I get my hands on real world project, I realized that all those neat, clean examples hadn't fully prepared me for the chaos of actual data. In the real world, data is messy, and you encounter missing values, inconsistent formats, ambiguous columns, and databases that don't behave as expected. Theoretical knowledge is crucial, but if you haven't wrestled with real data sets, you're missing a critical part of the puzzle. That's why we need more data challenges. These challenges mimic real-world scenarios, forcing you to think on your feet and apply what you know in unpredictable situations. The more platforms we have offering this kind of experience, the better prepared the next generation of data professionals will be. The second big topic is the data challenges is going to be the playground of learning. Let's talk about data challenges for a minute. These are competitions or problems where you're given a data set and tasked with solving a specific problem, whether that's predicting sales, classifying images, or cleaning up messy customer records. If you are ever participated in something like Kaggle or Driven Data, you know exactly what I mean. But here's why they are so effective. First, problem-solving focus. Instead of passively absorbing information, you're actively figuring out things. This shift from passive learning to problem-solving is where real growth happens. Second, real feedback. Platforms like Kaggle, for example, allow you to submit your solutions and get immediate feedback about what you produced. This is something that tutorials and static learning materials cannot replicate. You try, you fail, and then you improve. And the last thing about this talk point is that the community learning, right? The community learning. These platforms are often filled with other data enthusiasts, with other data profiles, people who share their solutions, their tips, their best practices, and you learn not only from your own efforts, but you multiply that with from seeing how others approach the same problem. I found that data challenges are not just for competition, they are for growth. Every time I dive into a new challenge, I learn something new, whether it is a new algorithm, a different data cleaning technique, or just a smarter way of doing the same thing that I've done past years in the data sphere. Why training platforms must evolve. As much as I love, the current data challenge platforms, I think we need more, and not just more challenges, but more platforms that offer richer, more diverse training experiences. And here's what I mean. One, hands-on practice with the real datasets. Imagine a platform that partners with real companies to provide anonymized datasets from actual business problems. These wouldn't just be toy datasets, but real-world examples with all the complexity that comes with them, missing values, dirty data, unclear relationships. The second point is integrated learning paths. Instead of, bouncing between tutorials and challenges, we need platforms that offer integrated paths where theory and practice and challenges are combined together. You learn a concept, you apply it on a challenge, and then you get the feedback to improve your performance. We also need mentorship and collaboration. Learning data in isolation can be frustrating. What if platforms included mentorship, where seasoned professionals could, guide newcomers through challenges, or collaborative modes where teams could tackle challenges together? The last idea about this subtopic is the industry-specific challenges, because data science or data engineering or whatever data practice is not one size fits all. The skills you need to solve financial problems, for example, are different from those required in healthcare or marketing. We need more specialized challenges, allowing people to develop expertise in their chosen industries. What is the future of data learning is, in my imagination, it should be active, engaging, and challenging. I'm convinced that the future of data education is not just about courses and certifications, it's about doing. And not just doing the easy stuff, as fast as possible, but tackling real-world problems, making mistakes, and learning from them. That's why I believe data challenges and evolving training platforms are so crucial. Imagine a world where anyone can jump into a data platform and instantly start solving real business problems, competing with others, collaborating with mentors, and growing their skills. That's the future we should aim for. But we're not there yet, and that's why we need more platforms and more challenges and more opportunities to stretch ourselves in the field. So, whether you're a data enthusiast, an educator, a company looking to build the next great training platform, I hope you see the value in creating more opportunities for hands-on data learning. The more we push ourselves with real challenges, the better we will get at solving the data problems that matter most. Let's build more platforms and create more challenges. If you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you like it and share it, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another episode again. Thank you very much, and see you in the next one.